What's up guys, welcome back to another full day of eating video. What I'm going to do today, I'm basically going to walk you through my entire day and show you what I eat in an entire day. So the difficulty for today is, it's the pandemic season, so groceries limited and limited options hai. We are going to avoid meat. We are going to see whatever we have at our disposal and make the most out of it. Try to hit as much as protein as we can, and let's go. Meal number one. Meal number one, there is not going to be meal number one. हम breakfast skip कर देंगे. Why? Because we are going to enter a catabolic state where we'll end up burning more fat. So this is intermittent fasting. By that I don't mean you have to be hungry till 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Find yourself a time window which is doable and stick to it. Why I do time restricted fasting? 3 reasons. Number one, it helps me burn fat easily. I can offload whatever I had last night. And the third most important thing, it helps me focus. I am more productive during the first half of my day. It's a great tool if you want to cut down fat. And is intermittent fasting for you? It depends. It completely depends on the individual. Like they say, it's not everyone's cup of tea or coffee in this case. Alright, done with the coffee. Now it's the pandemic season and groceries are limited. So protein requirement kitna hona chahiye? I think that totally depends on where you're coming from. If you get a popular magazine from any grocery store, you'll find that the protein requirement they suggest is around 2 grams per kilogram. Says who? The fitness magazine that you just picked up, or some random bodybuilder you saw on YouTube who is on all sorts of gear and has a much better protein synthesis than you, or probably some whey protein advertisement. Let's dig into it. Let's try to do some research and see what you can find. So the very first thing and the most proven accurate method to find out protein requirement is NABL method, which is nitrogen balance. It's very basic, very simple. If the nitrogen balance is positive, it means you're having enough protein. If it's negative, you're having less protein. So I was going through this interesting study and it suggested that 1.76 grams per kilogram is the recommended protein intake for strength athletes. Now remember, these are strength athletes. They don't train like us for an hour a day. They train for probably 5 to 6 hours a day. For sedentary lifestyle, it was suggested to be 0.9. Now these groups were again subdivided into 3 sections, one with low protein intake, one with moderate protein intake, and the third one with high protein intake. Now the results were surprising. Not so surprising to anyone who knows how protein works. Interestingly, the key pointer here was excess protein group didn't show any major difference or any proper results compared to the more moderate protein group. I also found this another study which was specifically targeted on bodybuilders, and it suggested that 1.05 gram per kilogram of body weight is enough to maintain lean muscle mass. Now remember, this is only for maintenance, this is not for growth. Alright, what would I suggest? Firstly, it depends. It depends on a lot of factors: your body composition, your DNA, your protein synthesis. However, if I were to give a number, I would suggest you that if you work out regularly 6 times a week for 1 or 2 hours, I think somewhere around 1.4 to 1.7 should be good enough for you, given that you're not a strength athlete. If you are a proper athlete, you might be needing more protein. You must also be asking, what if I don't do workouts as intense as you do? Just because you're sitting on a couch doesn't mean that you don't need protein. You would be needing protein as well. I would reckon somewhere around 0.9 to 1.1 gram per kilogram of body weight. Welcome to my kitchen. So very first meal, bread omelette. Keeping it very basic. 4 omelette, 4 eggs use किए गए, 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites. I use this every time I make bread omelette because it's just 30 calories, man. If you are scared of 30 calories, man, you should really be considering the fitness part. So I'm done with the workout today. Did a decent enough push workout, shoulders, chest, tricep, तीनों cover हो गए. And best part about quarantine, you realize the importance of home workouts. You don't need a dumbbell to get a shoulder press, and you can activate the same movement using pike pusher. And अच्छा workout किया. And you know what we do after a great workout? We have great food. So let's get some good food. What's up, guys? Meal number 2, hummus packed with protein and fiber. इसमें कुछ effort नहीं लगता. The only effort that you need to take is pre-soak them the night before and grind them, and that's it. You have hummus ready. I'm gonna top this off with some milk, and milk में it has around 3.3 gram of protein for 100 ml. So 450 ml में it should be around 19 gram of protein. Protein sorted, fiber sorted, along with more protein. I'm gonna douse this with some brown bread, and that's about it. Meal done. I'll see you in the next meal. Alright, last meal of the day, boiled chickpeas, little bit of white peas and some red kidney beans as well. Looks colorful, and I have topped it off with some curd just to make it more tasty and cool off the heat. And the only effort that you need to take is pre-soak the meals the previous night. और कुछ नहीं करना अपन. Come on, that's the least you can do. Come on. I know a few days ago you guys were planning to stand for half an hour in front of the liquor store. If you are planning to do that, you can definitely pre-soak your grains. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. That was an epic meal, and best part is it was filling enough, and the feeling of going to bed on a full stomach is really nice because it sort of makes sure that you don't mess up your sleep cycle. So that's about it for today. The total calorie intake for today is right here, and approximately we hit around 110 to 120 grams of protein, which is fine, which is great for the given resources we have. And jate jate, I would like to throw some wisdom on you guys. So there's this wise quote, it is the province of knowledge to listen and the privilege of wisdom to speak, which directly translates into you should subscribe to Shashank Burman Fitness, because akele I don't want you to get fit and get all jacked. Share this with your friends and let them be educated as well. Till then, cheers guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.